KZN Mech for Transport and Human Settlements, Sibaniso Duma, said there was light at the end of the tunnel as snow has been cleared in some parts of the N3, allowing motorists to move. Duma said the snow has been cleared on the R103 from Escart to Mui River, Kokstad to Underbeg, and the N11 between Amajuba and Vokrust. We are not sure of when all roads will be cleared because this is nature, because this weather might continue until tomorrow. We are just deeply saddened that there are people with chronic illnesses who were stuck and didn't have anything to eat, but we are glad to report that some stranded motorists and trucks are now moving, he said. We are not sure of when all roads will be cleared because this is nature, because this weather might continue until tomorrow. We are just deeply saddened that there are people with chronic illnesses who were stuck and didn't have anything to eat, but we are glad to report that some stranded motorists and trucks are now moving, he said. Duma urged people to stay away from some of the major routes affected by the snow in order to remain safe. To offer assistance, the South African Red Cross Society, SARCS, said it has been on the ground serving hot meals to stranded motorists since on Friday afternoon. We're here to provide comfort and support, no matter the weather. Stay safe and reach out if you need help, said SARCS. Earlier, the South African Weather Service, SAWS, issued a Level 8 warning for further disruptive snow is in effect for Alfred Duma, Ladysmith, Drive-In, Dlamini Zuma, Underberg, Greater Kokstad, Impindal, Inkosi Langalibalel Escort, Inkosi Langalibalel Sobabili, Bafana Giants Castle, Bafana Mui River, Okalamba, and Umgini.
Hello world, this is South Africa. Welcome to the icy traffic.
Current update from Van Renens Pass, still snowing very badly everywhere. There's a lot of elderly people and kids that are unable to walk to the shop, which is about 3 kilometers walk from where we are currently. And still snow falling, vehicles are backed up, and yeah, we've been here since yesterday afternoon 6 o'clock and still awaiting any assistance from anybody. So yeah, it's quite difficult.
Benyapi Nkosi, benyapi Nkosi, awu bakithi. Yes, benyapi kodwa.
Guys, we've been here since 6 o'clock. Izolo, just after Montrose entry. Siku entry, guys, module Montrose. We've been here and it's getting worse. As you can see, zonke imoto elazi stuck here, guys. Siyacela ukuthi nisize nisebenzise every social platform guys. Sicela nakuma comrades ethu bafethu ama-MK, cela nisisize. We've been here since u6 izolo, asisana kudla, sisana manzi bafethu, akusekho lutho. Okulandela kuzophela upetrol emotweni, and siyabona ukuthi isimo is getting worse. Akukho ukuthi kuzonetha, akho langa, akho lutho. Guys, sicela nisisize, please help us. Niyabona sibhekhe nama-truck lana, nali ikhontama esihamba ngalo. We are stuck guys, besisemakhaya for holidays. Sizani bole.
My auntie nakho la sibhajwe khona bewakithi besesibheke ementros sisuka le ku-toll gate lwasemnambithi akubuyeleke emuva kunje 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 kunje.
Guys, I went up to Gilboa to check what the eggs were going to be in for tonight. Check my car. Check out the snow on my car, guys. I had to like freaking clean so my windscreen wipers could work. This is mental.
Update on Harrismith. Still heavy snow falling. No movement here at Highway Junction. Everything is standstill. Guy tried to make attempt to move. Unfortunately, he couldn't make it. He had to reverse back in position. Very bad conditions. Very heavy snow. Still falling, as you can see. I don't know if you can see clearly. Yes, guys. Very, very bad conditions here at Harrismith Highway Junction. God bless. Be safe. Take care. Bye.
September, slept on the N3. Current situation, time now is 7:15. We've been here for 12 hours straight on the same spot. And it's been snowing right through, as you can see the hair on the car. Go up front. "12 hours straight in front of the car, snowing right through the night." That's that.
This is on top of Van Renen N36X 57.0 north and south.